Today we are testing the speed of two iconic iPhones, one from the past and one from the future. It's the iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 11 Pro Max. There's a 4-year gap between them and we are here to see how much has changed. First, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro. This is Apple's latest release running on iOS 18 and powered by the new A18 Bionic chip with 8GB of RAM and 120Hz ProMotion display. With its improved performance and efficiency, it's designed to handle anything you throw at it. Plus, it comes with a new camera control button on the side. On the other hand, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, launched back in 2019, is still a powerhouse in its own right. It's running iOS 18 as well, but it's powered by the older A13 Bionic chip and has a 4GB of RAM. It was known for its impressive performance back then, but can it still compete against the latest flagship? We'll find out. Alright, let's dive into the speed test and see how these two iPhones perform. Starting with the Face ID, both phones unlock at the same time. There's no apps running in the background. First up, let's open Facebook, and both phones open at the same time. Snapchat, and the iPhone 16 Pro is just a little faster. Settings, and again the iPhone 16 Pro takes the lead. Calculator, once again faster on the iPhone 16 Pro. Phone, slightly faster on the iPhone 16 Pro. Now the camera, and this one's close but they almost open at the same time. Clock, just a bit quicker on the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's see TikTok. The iPhone 16 Pro opens a lot faster than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Next up, Prime Video. And once again the iPhone 11 Pro Max takes more time to open. Opening up Netflix, and it's faster on the iPhone 16 Pro. Now for Instagram, again the iPhone 16 Pro takes the win. Let's check X, and it's faster on the iPhone 16 Pro. PUBG Mobile, the iPhone 16 Pro opens it much faster while the iPhone 11 Pro Max is still loading. Spotify, the iPhone 16 Pro is quicker again. Now let's check if all the apps are still running in the background. As you can see, the iPhone 11 Pro Max took a bit longer to switch between camera and clock. Also, Prime Video reloaded on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, while the iPhone 16 Pro kept it open with no issues. So after running all the tests, it's clear that the iPhone 16 Pro comes on top in terms of speed, especially when it comes to opening apps and gaming. The iPhone 16 Pro consistently performed faster. The iPhone 11 Pro Max, while a few years old, still holds up decently, especially for day-to-day tasks, but when it comes to more demanding apps, you can see the gap in performance, with some app reloads and slower loading times. In the end, the iPhone 16 Pro is the clear winner, but if you're still using an iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's impressive how well it's lasted, even when compared to the latest model. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.